How do you think my brain is made for?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unbox my package with you guys. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing. My tongue ring fell out, so I'm about to put that in. Fuck, hold up. Cause it went through the first time like 5 minutes ago. Maybe No, it's too big. I'm about to re-go. No. I refuse to chip my tooth. These already felt big to me, y'all. And it's so heavy. Hell no, I'm not talking with this in my mouth. Immediately no. Oh, hell no. I'm switching to the crystal. Yeah, yo. I'm gonna order one ASAP. So for right now, I'm gonna use they're all so big. Yeah, I'm gonna use the acrylics because I'm not about to, like, if it's gonna be big, it's gonna be plastic. I'm not chipping my tooth. Not for nothing. No. Y'all, give me a minute. Okay. Okay, guys. This is what I'm working with until I buy another piercing, which I already need some anyway, but now I'm talking with like a list because I'm not used to it. But because it's plastic, it shouldn't chip my tooth. Like, it could possibly still, but fingers crossed it don't. These are cute things. Some cutesy socks for my slippers that are supposed to be coming. I sent them to my job because I don't want them to come here and I'm not home. So, socks and more socks. Very cutesy, very soft. Cute. This is just for like, it's like it look ugly, but that's what makes it cute. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no, it's one of those. And it only has 4 buttons. Ugh, it's like messy. I would probably just have to wash it once. I would hand wash this before I should have got a bigger size. It's super long though. Very cute, but it's very messy. I would have to like hand wash it so it doesn't do this. Or go over with my bed warmer, which is at work. I have one here. But yeah, messy. For real. Like, I'm gonna have to wash this before I wear it. Oh no. Let's sit it on the floor because I'm gonna have to wash that. And I feel like I talk even dumber than what I already did. Okay. Like, I got used to my last one, but this one I'm not really used to. And I tuck a little lisp, but ignore that, y'all. Y'all know I can talk like. I got some more pants, which I will try on. Yeah, these are cute. I gotta change this top. Earmuffs because my ears was cold the other day and I wasn't having it. For real. Ooh. How do you wear earmuffs? Okay. Not really good. Yeah, because we ain't doing that cool shit no more. For real. And of course it's pink. Everybody's like so sick of me and my pink. And I'm like, for real. Because there's more pink. And it came with chopsticks. Anybody know me know I love chopsticks. For real. Yes, my lunchbox is pink. My purse is pink. The purse I just bought is black. But this is just like work shit. This is work stuff. And then it's top. You open it. Oh, the fork is not pink. But it comes with a fork because I stay forgetting my forks. And I hate using sporks at work. And it comes with a knife too. Didn't even know that. It comes with a spoon. I love that. And it comes with chopsticks. I was gonna buy these metal chopsticks. But I'm like, wow, I could just get the whole lunchbox, you feel me, for my ramen and whatnot. Yeah. The bag for work, I did not realize the bag was this small. Compared to my other bags, let's compare. It's a lot more than this. But honestly, I need to stop carrying so much in my bag in the first place. As long as it can fit my lunchbox, which I think it should definitely, then we're good. But my bag is so heavy, I don't even know why. I'm not gonna have this on it because, no. Anyway. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get a lot in it. I don't know if it's sturdy enough. But I got another, I got a lot of jewelry. Cause y'all, let's talk for a second. This morning, I had a very bad morning. I was at work crying because I lost my bracelet that my friend gave me. And I'm very like sentimental and sincere with stuff like that. So I was very distraught. Like last week when I thought I lost it, I was upset. But today I actually really lost it and I will probably never get it back. So I had a very bad morning and I was crying my eyes out. And yeah, I'm just trying not to like think about it, you know, because there's nothing I can do about it at this point. I'm very upset. I take stuff like, she also gave me this one, but it's a necklace and I wear it as a bracelet. I take stuff like that very, very to heart. And I've lost a lot of my jewelry before, but it is different when like, you don't know if you'll even see that person again. I don't know, like, I don't know. Because I love so much jewelry. And I was always upset, but this is the first time I cried. And I think it's because it hit different when it's, I don't know. But yeah. This is cute. It's pretty thin. I don't think it'll keep me warm. Hold up, because my workouts be no, these pants are pretty comfortable, so I'm not gonna lie. Again, this is just like all work here. Like, I'll try these on too. They fit me perfect, but like, I'm so short, it's not even funny. These are what the pants look like. I'm glad they're not like touching the ground completely, but I'll get all smalls for all my sizings if y'all wanted to know. Literally, or extra small. It just depends. But these are cute, they're very comfortable. I don't. Oh, this is super big. I guess it's what I need, because I be trying to be cute. This is cute, but it's like comfortable. Oh, I look. You were so safe with me. There isn't a place I would rather be. You showed up in my dreams. How does it look to y'all? Like, does it look like how it's supposed to look? Like winter weather? Let's see what the heck on it. the medium. Thank God I got a medium because I wanted to wear it, which I can. But it's so puffy, I don't think I really need to. I got some leggings. I want to try these on because I got this in brown and gray. Let's try the gray ones. Is it see-through? Oh no, that's not it. Yeah. It makes me look slimmer than what I really am. It like sucks in everything. This is more like workout material. Like, it's really soft. But I would have sized up if I would have known. It's not really as beautiful. I mean, it is stretchy. It's very stretchy, but it's very stiff. Like, my thighs don't jiggle, and they usually jiggle. I don't know. Or maybe I am just a skinny and I don't want to admit it. I already have a skirt, but it's like a like, this kind of skirt. Like a school skirt that I'm actually going to wear tomorrow with my black leggings. Am I wearing this tomorrow? I don't know. Is this, don't picture it with this. Picture it like alone. I feel like a schoolgirl. But yeah, I'm wearing a skirt tomorrow. With leggings, but they're gonna be black. And hopefully my slippers come. But yeah. I've never like been a skirt type of girl. And I wanted to try a skirt. I think it's cute. I think it makes me look a little bit young. But I'm gonna wear it like this. Like a high-waisted. Yeah, this is cute. So before I run out of more storage, I just want to show y'all like the little bits of jewelry pieces I got. These are like little cute little. I have 1,000 bow earrings. I usually never wear these type of earrings, but because I lost all my diamonds, like I'm just not responsible for jewelry. It just seems like it's like today is not the first time I lost my jewelry, and I'm talking about my real diamond. Like they're always like gifts from people, and then when I lose them in warehouses or at work or wherever, strictly for the day type of jewelry, and then wear my nice jewelry out. Because if I wear my nice jewelry 24/7, like it has wear and tear, I guess. And it, I don't know, like I guess that's how my bracelet popped off. So like this type of stuff is just like specifically for work, like jewelry that I don't care if I lose or break. Like this necklace was like $700. I didn't pay for it, but it was a gift from somebody. And if I lost it, it wouldn't be sentimental. It would be like, damn, that's a waste. But for my jewelry that is sentimental, I end up in tears, and I don't have time. So I decided to buy little cheap jewelries that are like costume every day. Not even every day, but switch it up every day type. Like, I don't really care about these. It's just to keep it cute, you know. But my jewelry that is like good, like I either break them or lose them, and it'd be like expensive. So I don't know how sometimes it break, it'll be too fragile, and then I wear it working in like warehouses or boxes. Like now I don't work at their warehouses, but even then I'm always like doing something, cutting open a box or playing ball or doing something, and like I'm not good with jewelry. It's my love language. I love gifts. I love jewelry, but I gotta realize I can't wear certain jewelry every day. Like, you would think like the amount that it be costing you could wear it every day, but sometimes it's just like something so delicate. It's just for a good special occasion, not to wear every day to work. So that's my fault. But that's why I bought. And I needed some more like gold color stuff. But I just don't like wearing jewelry where you have to take it off when you shower, or take it off to go to bed. Like I like to shower myself. Like I never take this off. My gold one that my friend gave me. Oh, at least I have that one. She get the bracelet she gave me was hers, but the necklace she bought me was gold, and I have that one, but I broke it, so I have to take it to go get it fixed because it's actually gold. So it's like, these could break, I don't care, but my good stuff I keep it so I can get it fixed. This is just a cute little flower, just a little cute little jewelry for working. At the point where look, something gotta give. I'm still sad thinking about my bracelet because I'm just sad, y'all. But I don't even know what this is. I just was adding stuff to the cart. I know I had, oh, wait, I know I had more stuff. Ouch, I don't know if they just didn't send it. I think gold looks better on me than silver. I mean, who am I kidding? They both look good on me, but I got a cross necklace. I'm not even Christian, but like, it's pretty. Yeah, I was just adding stuff to my cart because why not? But this is pretty. And yeah, I don't remember buying like this specifically. I'm glad that the gold doesn't look like yellow gold, but you know it's not gold gold. This one I'm not wearing. This is the Mary one. I'm not wearing. This sounds so cheap. Oh no. I'm sorry, I don't mean to throw it like that. To the ones that are religious, but I'm not wearing that. It's one thing to wear costume, it's one thing to wear like, come on now. Like, I wouldn't give that to a kid. Oh no, I'm not wearing this either, I don't think. Ew. I don't think I'll be wearing this either. I think it's because it's beads, that's why. I'm not wearing this, so. Okay, I guess. What the heck is this? This is too big. I'm scared. I don't like stuff like this. Like huge jewelry pieces. Oh, look at the little green. I wanted to get me an emerald, like an actual emerald bracelet. But I wound up getting the jade one. That one broke as well. I don't know if it was real jade, but it was not. It was affordable. It was like $100. This is cool. It's just so big. I don't know. And I don't know what it says on it. Sometimes with stuff like that, you gotta be careful. Like, I just don't like big pieces. Like, I like dainty stuff. It don't have to be this small. Oh, what's in the box? Yeah, it's glass. That's why I wrapped up. But, yeah. It comes with, like, a cute little spoon. You put your yogurt and your granola and your fruit to go in my cute little pink lunch bag.
Why do you think my brain is made for?